Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome to economics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed regarding the collection of data, in that different modes of collecting data. So first method we studied, that is the personal interview. Second mode of collection of data, that is telephone interview. Third method is questionnaire method. So three methods we studied. Even the meaning of pilot survey we studied, pre-testing of questionnaire. Before the survey we are going to test the questions with a small group of people. So even the features of questionnaire we studied, and some types of this question should be included, closed-ended and open-ended questions, all we studied briefly. So next we are going to study the differences between telephone interview and personal interview. So it is very important for the exam point of view, differences between telephone interview and personal interview. So all these interviews, either personal interview or telephone interview, the intention is to collect the data. Intention is to collect the data by the investigator. But there are some methods and some differences in the collection of data. So let us see what are the main differences between telephone interview and personal interview. Meaning, as I said earlier, personal interview means interview done by the investigator with face-to-face interaction. So this investigator is on spot and going to collect the information through the survey method. So here he is using the primary data he is going to collect from the respondent. While collecting the data, there is a face-to-face interaction, he can watch the reactions and he can collect the informations. So it gives more accurate data he can collect. But under the telephone interview method also I said some advantages, disadvantages. Telephone interview is the method of collecting the data. Under the telephone interview, interviews are done by the investigator with the respondent through the telephone calls, So it is interview done on telephone. Thus it is said to be the telephone interview. So intention is to collect the information regarding the survey. So here investigator is going to collect the information. So investigator is one who going to conduct the survey. So enumerator is one who is going to collect the data. Let us see the main differences between the telephone interview and personal interview. So personal interview means, already I said, the first difference between personal interview and telephone interview is, under the personal interview, data is collected personally. Because your investigator is on spot and collecting the data personally. But under the telephone interview method, data collected through the telephone. Here there is no face-to-face interaction. Data is not collected personally but through the telephone. We don't know who is speaking there. We think that he is Ramesh is speaking. I am the investigator conducting the survey and I wanted to collect data from the Ramesh. But we don't know whether the Ramesh is talking or one more other Ganesh is speaking. Thus data collected through the telephone. Thus personal interview, data collected personally. Second one, under the personal interview, here you can see the face-to-face interaction between the interviewer and interviewee. Here you can see the face-to-face interaction, because we are going to collect the data with the respondent. Directly you are going to meet and collect the information. But under the telephone interview, we can't see the person who is speaking to us. Thus no face-to-face interaction. Under the telephone interview, there is no face-to-face interaction. Third main difference between telephone interview and personal interview is personal interview is costlier. Personal interview is costlier because here investigator should go to the spot and he should collect the information. After collecting that information, he should organize the information and he is going to present the information. It will take the more time and it is huge expensive. So, third main difference under the telephone interview is it is cheaper because through the telephone we are going to conduct the survey. So, as think I am the investigator, I will collect the information from you people. So, I can take the through the telephone I can call and I can collect the information. But under the personal interview you should go to the spot and you should collect the information. Thus, personal interview is costlier and telephone interview is cheaper. Fourth main differences between personal interview and telephone interview is time to think and answer. Under the personal interview there is a time to think and answer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅವರ ಮುಖಾಮುಖಿಯಾಗಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. Thus your time to think and answer. But under the telephone interview, little time to think and answer. Under the telephone interview, little time to think and answer. It is because we are in the phone call on calls. Sometimes they may not receive the calls, and sometimes if they receive the calls, they may busy. Network errors due to some technical errors or due to the some busy schedules. So, because of their tensions, they can't give the exact answer. Thus, little time to think and answer under the telephone interview. Next main differences between the personal interview and telephone interview is less time to collect information. Less time to collect information. Under the personal interview, it is less time consuming, but after collecting the information, to finalize it takes more time. To finalize the results, once we can collect the information at a very shorter time, but it takes the long time or takes more time to finalize the results. Analysis, we should organize the data and next we are going to present the data and last we are going to analyze the results, interpretation of data. Thus it is less time consuming one side, but to finalize the results it takes the more time. So, here under the telephone interview it can be conducted in shorter time with small stuff because interview is conducting through the phone calls. Thus it will takes this reduces the time, so shorter duration is enough. Because under the personal interview we should go to the spot, it will take the more time, but here you can take the shorter time. At the same time you can make this collect the information and you can sort out there itself and analyze and interpret the results with the small stuff. Thus it is the main differences between the personal interview and telephone interview. According to your syllabus this much is enough. There are many differences. Accuracy, less accuracy. Under the personal interview it is, you can say it is accurate information you can collect. Under the telephone interview less accurate information because we don't know who is speaking there. They can saying lie and they can talk behind something and someone can talk while you are going to ring the calls. Thus it is personal interview is accurate because directly you can contact the person. But telephone interview is less accurate because here we don't know who is speaking through the phone calls. You may not unable to make out their voice. Thus, these are the major differences between telephone interview and personal interview. Both are the methods or modes of collecting the data. Both are essential as a part of collecting the data. Even in this telephone interview you can directly ask the questions. Even in the personal interview also you can face to face interaction is there, you can directly ask the questions. But here directly you can ask the questions with the person through the phone calls. But in the person interview, you can ask the questions through the face-to-face interaction. Thus, next see what are the difference between the mailed interview and telephone interview. Mailed questionnaire and telephone interview. Now we discuss personal interview and differences between the telephone interview. Next you can compare with the telephone interview and mailed questionnaire. Differences between telephone interview and mailed questionnaire. Telephone interview and mailed questionnaire. Mailed means email, students. Through the emails sending the questionnaire and collecting the informations. Mailed questionnaire. Mailed questionnaire. So here also you can collect the informations. You can collect informations regarding the survey. What is your survey? So let us see what are the difference between telephone interview and mailed questionnaire. So under the telephone interview, as I said, data collected personally, but under the mailed survey, data collected through the mail. Data collected from the respondent by the investigator personally. Data collected personally. But under the mailed questionnaire, data collected through email. Through the email. So under the telephone interview, as I said, there is a face-to-face interaction. Under there is no face-to-face interaction. Telephone interview, there is no under the telephone interview, data collected through the phone calls or phone calls, and no face-to-face interaction. No face-to-face interaction. There also in mailed questionnaire there is no face-to-face interaction. No face-to-face interaction. Then third main difference between telephone interview and mailed questionnaire is under the telephone interview the information is collected. It is cheaper one. It is cheaper one. It is cheaper. But under the mailed questionnaire, trained graduates are required. It is costlier. It is costlier because it requires huge skilled and trained graduates. Illiterates cannot use the mailed questionnaire method. Illiterates, those illiterates unable to use this method of collection of data. It is the only one method. Illiterates cannot use this method because highly advanced trained graduates be required. But here all can use, anyone can, you can take, anyone can able to give the answer. Able to give the answer. Under the telephone interview, through the phone calls you are talking, no need of any education. Thus anyone can give the information, able to give the information. But under the mailed questionnaire and person interview, trained graduates were required. So these are the main differences between telephone interview and mailed questionnaire. So here you can collect the data at a time. Data can be collected at a time. Data collected in time. You can collect the data within the particular time through the phone calls, but under the mailed questionnaire there is a chance of losing or lost of questionnaire. Questionnaire may lost. It is because of technical errors or it is because of any other problems. Thus here data collected in time, here data collected last of questionnaire may be there, data collected after the long time, long time it requires, because they should see the mail. When they are going to see the mail, then only they can answer. We may not force them, but through the telephone or person interview, you can contact with them with your voice, and they may respond positively. But here most of the chances is their negative responses, because they may not know who is going to give the answer. So mailed questionnaire, chance of missing the data. Thus, these are the main differences between the telephone interview and mailed questionnaire. Person interview and telephone interview, same as it is person interview and mailed questionnaire. Thus, see here, person interview, data collected personally. Under the mailed questionnaire, data collected through the mail, and person interview, face to face interaction. Under the mailed questionnaire, no face to face interaction. Person interview is costlier, but mailed questionnaire is also costlier compared to the other telephone interview. Time to think and answer, but mailed questionnaire also time to think and answer. Less time to collect the information, but to finalize it takes more time under the personal interview. But here is more time is there, but illiterates cannot use this method of collecting the data. Thus, chance of missing the data because questionnaire may lost, it is because of technical errors. Thus, only one method that illiterates cannot use, that is said to be the mailing questionnaire under the survey method. This data collected through the all three modes. The main purpose is to collect the data, either personal interview, telephone interview or mailing the questionnaire. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.